Hey everybody, Chris here, and in this video we are going to talk about something that would make every course creator really excited. How to create a drip course on Kajabi. Don't worry, this is going to be very easy as I'm going to take you step by step. And by the end of this tutorial, I'm sure you'll have your own drip course up and running and, shall I say, ready to earn you some cash. Oh, that's the best part if you ask me. Earning from your experience and expertise is always fun. Before we start creating a drip course on Kajabi, I think we should talk about what exactly a drip course is. For those who are new to this term. So a drip course is basically a course where your lessons are released over time, one after the other, rather than all at once. Setting up a drip course is a very effective way to keep your students engaged and making sure they don't get overwhelmed. I myself would feel drowned in all the lessons, and I wouldn't even know where to start if you gave them to me all at once. That's why with the drip course, they would take the lessons gradually, one after the other, so they would have the time to absorb all the information before they're introduced to a new topic. Now, if you're not familiar with Kajabi, it's an all-in-one platform that's ideal for creating, marketing, and selling online courses and other digital products. And it looks like it's living up to its all-in-one title because it allows its users to have live interactions with its audience. Sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? So if you're new to Kajabi or thinking about switching to it, check out the special affiliate link below the video. You'll get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you get those 30 days. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features, and it's easy to get lost. But in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. All right, now it's time to start the fun. Let's begin creating your drip course with the help of Kajabi. So once you're in, you'll find the dashboard. This is like the control center for all of your online marketing processes. To create your drip course, you'll have to set up a course on Kajabi first. Head over to the Products tab on the dashboard, select Courses, and hit New Course. On the next page, you'll be prompted to provide your course title and description. Make it as catchy and as engaging as you can. One thing you may want to know when creating a course on Kajabi is that you can ask the AI assistant to come up with lessons for you. You just need to toggle on the button below the brief description section, and the AI will generate a complete course outline for you based on what you've entered in the title and description. So I'm going to enable this button and see how the AI will work on our given title and description. Once you're satisfied, hit Next. You'll then be asked to customize your course. You can choose your desired primary and accent colors, and even upload a thumbnail that's relevant to what you're offering. Lastly, you'll be asked to price your course. So whether you want it to be paid or free, to be a subscription type or a one-time payment, you just have to specify all of them here. I'll pick the free for now and click on Next. As you can see, the creation wizard is doing its job. We'll just have to wait a few seconds or minutes. I guess the duration would depend on how fast your internet is. Now, here's the course outline that Kajabi AI has created for us. You can now begin adding content to your modules and lessons. You can even include videos, images, audio, PDFs, and even quizzes. I'm not going to dwell much on the course creation process itself. If you need a detailed tutorial on creating your course, you can check out my other videos on the channel. Or if you already have created a course on Kajabi, you can now proceed to the next step. Let's navigate to the course outline. As you may notice, each module and lesson title has a drop-down menu on the right. For the first module of our course, it's crucial that we set it on Publish along with all the lessons under it. This is very important because we don't want our students to pay for our course and not end up seeing any content to learn. This means that once our students have enrolled in our course, they will automatically get access to our first course module and lessons. Now, let's go to our second module. This is where we start setting up the drip. Just click on the drop-down menu and select Drip. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the number of days before your students will get access to the second module. I'll just put here 7 days, which I think is adequate time for our learners to finish the first module. And now hit Done. I would do the same thing for the succeeding module, so it's up to you on how many days before the students will get access to each module. Take note that Kajabi will start counting days after the student has enrolled in or paid for the course, which means that each of your enrollees will have varying progress in the course. For instance, if student A enrolled a week earlier than student B, then student A would finish the course earlier than student B. Now that we're done our last step, it's extremely important that you notify your students when the next module is available. You can do this in the same pop-up window where you set up your drip days. So yeah, you can click on the drip button again and hit the email templates button. It's pretty easy to spot as it's in bold and in a bright blue color. Clicking on it will open a new tab that shows all available email templates. Select member drip notification among the list and you'll see an HTML window. Well, technically it looks like a basic email interface with a subject and content box. I strongly recommend that you don't edit any of this content, especially if you're not that familiar with HTML. You don't want to send a confusing email to your members. If you really want to customize your email drip notification, you can just edit this one on the subject. New content is available for you at. You can change it to some catchy subject line, but don't edit anything else after that. If you want to see how your email looks from the end user's perspective, you can click Preview in the browser, or better yet, hit Send Test Email. This way, you'll be confident that your email will look the way you want it when your members receive it. When you're done, click Save. There you have it. Your drip course on Kajabi is now ready. It's pretty easy to set up, right? I think this is also the perfect time to remind you of the link in my description that would give you a 30-day free trial to Kajabi and access to my full course called Kajabi Jumpstart. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of this good stuff. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.